On the morning of December 6, 1917, two ships collided in the harbor of Halifax, Nova Scotia. One of them was carrying one of the largest explosive cargoes ever assembled during World War I. Minutes later, an entire city exploded. Halifax was a major Allied port during WW1. Ships carrying weapons and explosives gathered there before crossing the Atlantic. The French cargo ship SS Mont Blanc entered the harbor, loaded with explosives. Cargo included TNT, picric acid, benzyl fuel, gun cotton. It was essentially a floating bomb. The Mont Blanc collided with the Norwegian ship SS Imo. After the collision, benzyl fuel spilled across the deck. Sparks ignited the cargo. The ship caught fire. The burning ship drifted slowly toward the city. Crowds gathered along the harbor to watch the fire. They had no idea what was on board. At 9:04 a.m., the Mont Blanc exploded. Entire neighborhoods flattened. Buildings collapsed across Halifax. Shockwaves shattered windows miles away. The blast was so powerful it created a 60-foot tsunami and threw pieces of the ship several kilometers inland. Nearly 2,000 people killed, over 9,000 injured. Thousands of homes were destroyed. Hospitals were overwhelmed. Many survivors were blinded by flying glass. Hours after the explosion, a massive winter snowstorm hit Halifax. Rescue crews struggled to reach survivors buried in the rubble. Despite the disaster, aid arrived quickly from across Canada and the United States. After the explosion, harbor navigation rules were rewritten. Dangerous cargo shipping laws changed. Emergency response planning improved. The Halifax explosion remained the largest human-made explosion in history until the atomic bomb. More than a century later, the Halifax explosion remains one of the most devastating disasters in Canadian history, all triggered by a single collision in a crowded harbor. If you like stories about history, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Curiosity Capsule for videos like these. Thanks for watching. See you next time.